Hello everyone, this is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand for a crowd? When it comes to the finished packaging, there are several options to consider. You can choose from standard bags, 3-size seal bags, medium seal bags, and paper boxes, depending on your product and branding preference. Standard bags offer a convenient and versatile package solution, ensuring it stands upright on store shelves or in customers' kitchens. 3-size seal bags and medium seal bags are another great option. This type of bags provide a professional and sleek look. And they are perfect for distributing samples to potential customers. Additionally, paper boards can be used to showcase 3-size seal bags and medium seal bags. Allowing for a multi-dimensional presentation of our product. Let's start make your bag an interesting bag. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.